How to check memory of your GPU VRAM using DXDiag. One of the easiest ways to tell how much VRAM your graphics card has is by using the DirectX diagnostic tool, also called DXDiag. It's a simple tool that's used to test the DirectX API's functionality and to help with video and audio troubleshooting. It can also provide information about your graphics card. Here's how you can use DXDiag to find your GPU's VRAM. Step number 1. Type DXDiag in the Windows search box and select Open. Step 2. Select Display from the tabs on the top. Step 3. Optional, pick Display 1 if you see more than one display tab. You'll now see the details of your graphics card under the device heading. You'll see your GPU's VRAM in megabytes next to the display memory VRAM header. In this example, the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070 Ti has 12,010 megabytes of display memory, which is essentially 12 gigabytes of VRAM.